Hi everyone! Kumusta na kayo? Halika kayo, samahan niyo kung magluto tayo ng simple beef stew para sa hapunan. Welcome to my channel. Ito, rice yan na may malunggay. Hi everyone! Ito, niluto ko lang siya sa bawang, sa onion, garlic and onion, 2 cups of tomatoes, 2 cups of carrots, and 7 bay leaves. And rosemary herb, and this 2 pounds of meat. This is steak meat. Yeah. Tapos 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Hindi ko na pinakita habang niluluto ko, nakalimutan ko eh. I forgot to show you how to. You just have to saute all your garlic and your onion. And then boil it for 2 hours. And black pepper. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That's all about it, and 1/2 cup of water. Yeah, before I forget. Yeah. Simple meal, simple dinner. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my simple meal. Simple stew. It's a beefy stew. Bye.